Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today's another sunshiny day in Florida, but it's very windy. It's been windy for the last 3 days. That's why I haven't been going outside and cooking. I mean, I go outside, but not. I wanted to go outside with this today, but it's too windy. So anyway, we're gonna make egg salad, but not the classic way. We're gonna make egg salad with no mayonnaise. It's a little twist on it, and it tastes real good. So, without further ado, let's get to the no mayo egg salad. Okay, so here we have salt and pepper. Here we have 5 egg yolks. We're gonna have 6 here in a minute. This is the whites. I chopped these up because it makes it easier to mash them together. Don't worry about it. It'll be good. Got a little bit of mustard. We're going to use about a teaspoon of that. We're going to have a teaspoon of lemon juice there. Here I've got like a quarter of a small onion finely chopped. I got, you know me, my little jalapenos for a little flavor. I'm not going to give you another oniony twist. That's a green onion or a scallion, just one. I cut it about that much of it, like that, and diced it up. Here I've got maybe 2/3 of a cup of a combination of cream cheese, softened cream cheese, and some yogurt. I think I have a half and a third or something like that. But anyway, I didn't mix them all even up. There's the whipped cream. I put the other stuff back in the fridge. All right, let's get to it. Easy recipe. Okay, so here we have said egg, hard-boiled egg, okay? Now, Penny boiled these up for me the other day, so what I do is give it the yolk, the white part, a little slice, and then the yolk just slides right out of there. We'll throw that on there, okay? All right, let's, forgot my fork, hold on. Okay, so what we have here is our egg yolks, right? Can you see those? Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna mash these up first. And this is 6 eggs I'm using, so if you guys can't count, I have 6 egg yolks in here. I'm just trying to mash that up a little bit. Okay, see what we got there? Okay, so now we're going to put us a little teaspoon, let me do it this way, a teaspoon of lemon juice, as it were. Come on out of there. I don't want to use too much of this stuff, so I'm trying to get close. That's a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm using this stone ground Dijon mustard. I like the flavor of it. Besides of that, it's dark, which I also like, and it's goldens, which I also like. So there you have your little Dijon. Anyhow, let's get to it. So we got some my onion. This is my regular onion, finely diced. Slice them and dice them. There's my Mount Olive diced jalapeno. And the reason I put that in there is just for a little bit of flavor, see? And then we got our scallions going down. All right, let's mix this up a little bit. Now this is going to be good. You can have this on toast. You can have it as a dip. You can use it with chips. You can use it with a tomato. You can put it on salad wrap. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so now we're going to dump in the egg whites. Let me smash this one a little bit. This is the one I used the demo, but I usually cut them with a knife, so it just makes it easier to mix it together when you get it in the bowl. And the reason I did the sour cream, well, not sour cream, but the yogurt and the cream cheese, it gives it a nice little twangy flavor kind of deal. It almost reminds you of mayonnaise to a point. The other thing was I was trying to keep the points down for little Miss Penny there. As it is, we're using the cream cheese, which has a fair amount of points per tablespoon, that is. So, but it's something that you don't eat every day, and she's not going to eat a lot of it, so it'll all be good in the end. Okay, so now if you like mashing eggs the way I do, hit that like button. That'll tell us that we're doing a good job on this here recipe. All right, so now this is, I'm going to mix this a little in the bowl here. This is my Greek yogurt and plain Greek yogurt and some whipped cream, the nice spreadable kind, the soft kind. That's what they say, but you'll see it's going to be good. This is just give it a little twangy twang, and it'll almost remind you almost a little bit of mayonnaise, huh? Yeah. Okay, in we go. I'm going to be trying to come up with some more what you would call summertime recipes, light recipes. I'm also going to throw in some other old classical favorites like chili. Summertime chili, that's what we call it. You can have a chili salad. You can have chili anything you want. Okay. So now for the mix. Now you do have a surprise ingredient. I wasn't going to tell you guys about it, but I have to eventually, right? And no, it's not salt and pepper. You guys are too funny with the salt and pepper thing. That should be like a standard thing. We shouldn't have to include that in a recipe. Wow. Oh. Let you guys taste this. But to give it a little bit more pep in the step there, we're going to pull out the big gun. So we're going to take a little hit of red pepper flakes. Penny likes these. So we put a little sprinkle in there, not much, very little. And mix that around, and I think we'll call it a egg salad, huh? Okay, mix this around. See, those little flakes are hidden in there. You can't even find them. It's going to be like digging for gold. Okay, let's give it a little salt and pepper. And my friends, there you have it, and it's going to be delicious. Mix that around really good. And this is a nice little dish no matter what. You can have it for dinner, lunch, brunch. You can have it for a snack while you're watching a baseball game or whatever. You know, some chips and dip. Smear it on a wrap. I love the crunch of the onions. This is delicious. Let me get the okay from the head shed in the back room. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, so there you see it. It's in the bowl. We're going to plate up, and we'll be right with you. Boink, boink. Okay, guys, there you have. I got a little taste test thing here. The egg salad. And I got some of these little itty-bitty crackers. Like, you can eat 20 of them for like a point. I don't know, but it's going to be good. We're just going to give you a quick taste test. Okay, hope everybody can see me. Camera girl's back there on a phone call. So, anyway, this is it. This is the no mayonnaise egg salad. Try it with just the cream cheese, but that's why I decided to mix it up a bit. Very good. This almost tastes 100% like the real, it's almost like it's all mayonnaise, huh? Like I say, you guys can eat this with anything. You guys know how to eat egg salad. You've probably been doing it for years and years. Crackers, tomatoes, lettuce sandwich. Put it on a wrap. Put it on 2 pieces of bread like Grandma used to do. Salt and pepper. Heat it out of the bowl. You can mix it with other things. Tastes good. But anyway, this could be habit forming. I'm going to be trying to, like I said, come up with some nice dishes. I'm going to make a cucumber salad here coming up. Next there, so another dishes for the spring/summertime, like some hamburgers, like turkey burgers. I'm going to do more zucchini recipes. Anyway, I got some other stuff coming. So let's I gotta stop eating this. Gotta go clean up a mess. So, like I said, guys, give us a like. Share with your friends or enemies. I don't care who you share it with, as long as they like it and they sign up. Oh, man. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. When you do, a little notification bell will pop up. You tap on that. That'll let you know each time that we have a new video come out. And right below the video, there's a little arrow down. You hit that. Now, sometimes there's 2. Hit the one lower. There's one will be for like an advertisement, and one will be for like the drop-down box for the video. You hit that. It'll show you a link to Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page. And below that, I'll give you a link to my daughter's artwork site page, which I've showed you guys the artwork that she's been doing. It's great. She also has other things, stickers, buttons. She'll do contract work. If you wanted to draw a picture from a picture, she can do that too. But anyway, then below that will be the complete recipe, ingredients, and how we did it all together. So, until next time, my friends, stay hungry. This is Mr. Dan saying, come back when you are, and we'll give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, and we're out for now.